This is Alan from Speedy Keys for Advanced Diagnostics. We're here to program an extra key for a 2021 Nissan Sentra. And the tools we're going to need is the Smart Pro, ADC 2017 cable, a Phillips, and a regular screwdriver. Make sure these are long. A plastic pry tool. And a ratchet with a long extension with a 10 millimeter and a working key for this vehicle that starts the vehicle. Okay, now we're going to disassemble this vehicle. The first thing we're going to need to do is take two 10 millimeter bolts off that holds the gas cap lever on. There's one. Two. We're going to pull this off and set this aside. Second thing we do is we take this off from underneath here and release that, and you just leave that there. Then we release this cover plate here, and this should just snap. We're going to lower that down. And we use our long flathead screwdriver, and there is a tab that holds this fuse box in. We're going to push that in, and this will slide right out. And what we want to do is slide this down out of the way, just like this. Now we have this wire here. I just want to loosen that up so we got a little bit more room. Now there is two Phillips screws that holds the BCM in. There's one here, one here. We're going to take these out. We're going to use a long Phillips screwdriver so it's easy for us to get to that screw. Pull that out. Second one up on top here. Now if you notice, there's a tab on this one where we'll lift up on the BCM and then slide it back and then out. So we're going to lift this up. Pull it out. I take a little bit here to slide it out, and this is the cable we're going to need. We're going to push in on this tab and then just jiggle it out, and then we hook up the ADC 2017 cable. We have our tab facing up, smooth end, and it'll snap in. And then we hook up the other end of the cable, and that'll slide right in. And then we're good to go to hook up our Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro.